Welcome to the Trading Ambience Midweek Market Review. In this session, we assess how the markets have developed so far this week, measure current price action against our higher time frame buyers, and identify where structures are holding or shifting. So we focus on few FX pairs, directional momentum, and area of interest that may present continuation or reversal opportunities as we head into the later half of the trading week. So guys, let's check up where let's check out where we are presently in the market. So we're starting with AUD card. On AUD card, we have this higher time frame structure. Then we have this bullish impulse, bullish continuation. We talked about it last week. So presently on the higher time frame, the price has broken out of this structure, and on the mid time frame, the price printed the continuation structure right here. We placed our entry here, our stop loss below this mid time frame continuation structure. The price took us in, but right now it's running in loss. So we are still hoping that the price will push up with this continuation uh, structure on AUD card. So going to the next pair, okay, we have Aussie Kiwi here. On the higher time frame, this looks more like a reversal structure to me, especially after the price hits this high right here. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern here for those trading Elliott waves. So at the top of this place right now, we have on the mid time frame approaching that high within that higher time frame structure. We have this ascending channel, and to me, this is a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. So the price has broken out of this right shoulder, then went back up to print this continuation structure. So I placed my entry below here, the stop loss above that continuation structure on AUD New Zealand dollar. So next here in line is CAD CHF. On CAD CHF, we have this bearish impulse, bullish reversal structure on the higher time frame. Then on the mid time frame, we have on the it is visible on the higher time frame as well. We have a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. So our entry is outside just outside this continuation structure and the stop loss below it. So we are targeting the top of this higher time frame reversal structure for CAD CHF. On Eurocard, we have been talking about Eurocard for the past couple of days. So on the higher time frame, we have bullish impulse, bullish reversal, bullish impulse, bullish reversal, then bearish impulse, bearish continuation, and a bearish impulse, bearish continuation as well here. So on the mid time frame on AUD card, so we hit this high, the higher time frame continuation high. So we got to that high with this bullish impulse, bearish reversal. Then the price came here to print a double top right here with this ascending channel. Price broke out, then printed a continuation structure yesterday. So I placed my entry below here, stop loss above it. Right now we are still in red, but I'm hoping the price will drop lower as well on Eurocard. So moving to the next chart, we have NZD card. NZD card as well, presently running in red. So on the higher time frame, we have these multiple structures, this bullish impulse, bullish continuation structure, just as we discussed the other time. So here right here we have a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. But unfortunately here the price did not continue up. Instead, the price implemented and printed a bearish impulse, bullish reversal structure. So right here we have a bullish impulse for me, a bullish continuation structure. So and here on the mid time frame, I think we have a continuation structure. We have this high, this low and this low. Then we have two highs here. The price took me in here, then started dropping down. So I'm still holding this, and my stop loss is below this mid time frame continuation structure on the New Zealand dollar card. So let's move on to the next PN line. We have New Zealand dollar CHF right here. Right here, we hit this low with a descending channel, and the price broke out of this descending channel to print this bullish impulse in this continuation structure. So our entry is just above the continuation structure and stop loss below the continuation structure. Price has taken us in already, so we are targeting the high of this structure on New Zealand dollar CHF. So on AUD USD, AUD-USD. On the higher time frame, we talked about we have this bearish impulse, bullish reversal structure. As you can see, the price has been moving nicely within this structure on the higher time frame since 2022 or 2020. Yeah. So right now on the higher time frame, we have this area, this high. So the price hit this high previously, dropped down, and right here we have a bullish impulse, a bullish reversal structure. Now the price has come. The price is back to this high, and right here we have a confluence of this descending trend line and this current high. So right as that place, we have a bullish impulse and a bullish reversal structure. So last week I initially took a trade there last week, and I got stopped out. So uh, then I waited. The high time frame bias remains the same, so I waited for another continuation structure to be printed. And as you can see right here, we have this lower time frame continuation structure that was printed yesterday. So the price broke out. Then after the CPI, we saw a spike up. Then the price closed back inside, and I took my entry. So right now we are running in profit, and our target is the base of this. Our first target is the base of this structure on AUD USD. So the next PN line is Euro CHF. On Euro CHF, we have a bearish impulse here, a bullish reversal structure. Then we talked about this low. The price approached this low with this descending wedge. Then right from here, we saw a we saw a rapid move to the upside with a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure right here. So on the mid time frame for Euro CHF, after the breakout, we I saw another continuation structure here. So I placed my entry above here. The price took me in, and right now, as you can see, I am at break even right now. The trade is in profit, but I have moved my stop loss to break even after hitting 1 hour. So to protect my capital. So on Euro CHF, I'll be looking for to see the price push up to this high on Euro CHF. The next in line is GBP CHF. On GBP CHF as well, on the higher time frame, we have multiple structures within this structure. We have a descending channel barrel structure. Right within that descending bearish continuation structure on the higher time frame, we have a descending channel in this green structure. So within this descending channel, we have a bearish impulse, then a descending wedge, bullish reversal structure. So right here now, the price hits the low of this structure, so and pushed up impulsively to print a bullish impulse, bullish continuation. Then on the mid time frame, right here we have this bullish continuation structure on the mid time frame. I placed my entry here, stop loss below this place, and the price took me in. Then it's 1 hour. Then I moved my stop loss to break even to protect the capital there. So on GBP CHF, the target remains the same. We are targeting the top of this descending wedge on GBP CHF. So CHF JPY, we talked about this last week. CHF JPY, we talked about this higher time frame continuation structure on CHFJPY. So congrats to those who took the trade with me. So on the mid time frame, we have this bearish impulse, bullish reversal structure, a descending wedge on the mid time frame. Then last week I was it last week or over the weekend? So I talked about uh, this continuation structure here after the breakout of this structure. So I placed my entry here, stop loss below here, and our target got hit. So this is 4.6 R on CHF JPY. So we also have Euro New Zealand dollar that we are still expecting. We are bearish on Euro CAD because on the higher time frame everything looks bearish from this structure to this ascending channel to this bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure, bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure. So right now the price has broken out of this structure. On the mid time frame, lower time frame, I took a trade here, uh, got out here, got stopped out at a break even of 0.3%. Then right here, I took another trade last on Monday. I took another trade on Monday that ran down here and give decent profit. So right now we hit this low, then the price pushed back up. To me, this is a bullish continuation structure, and what I'll be looking forward to see here is to see something like this to the top of this structure, then look for bearish continuation structure again on Euro to New Zealand dollar. So we have GBP Australian dollar as well. So the price is right at this low, and I'm waiting to see what we will have there on GBP AUD. So with GBP card, we are still bearish on GBP card. The overall structure is bearish. The price hits this previous high somewhere right here with a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure. So right within this structure, we have multiple bearish structures, bullish impulse, bearish reversal. Right here, we have a bearish impulse and a bearish continuation structure. So right here on the daily time frame, we have this high price is right. It's now here. So on the mid time frame, uh, we are still in the development phase. So to me, this is a bullish impulse, a bearish reversal structure. So on the mid time frame, I will be expecting the price to drop down, then print a continuation structure like this, then place my entry below the uh, mid time frame or lower time frame continuation structure, then stop loss above it to target the low, the base of this higher time frame uh, continuation structure. So that's that on GBP card. On GBP New Zealand, the overall structure is bearish as well. So we have this ascending channel, we have this high, then right here at this top we have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. Within this structure we have multiple bearish structures here. So to me this is a bearish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. So I'm still expecting the price to drop down here. But on the mid time frame, pressure is presently uh, pushing up. So initially we have I had an entry here. It dropped down, did 1 hour, took me out of the break even. Then price printed this way again. This way it broke out. I entered here, did 1 hour, took me out of break even. So right now we have an ascending channel in the making. So I'll be looking forward to see how the price develops further on uh, GBP New Zealand. So on USD JPY, which is our okay on USD JPY, we talked about this bullish impulse, bullish continuation, but we have this high here. So initially I took this trade, but I closed out when we got to this high. So I got in right here, my stop loss below this structure. But right here, I want to see what the price will actually do if we have a continuation here, or we are going to start developing a reversal price action there on USD JPY. So the last but not the least, I have AUDJPY, and I am bearish on AUDJPY at the moment because on the daily time frame we have this bullish impulse and this bearish reversal structure. So to me, it's a bearish reversal structure. So bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. So on the main time frame on AUDJPY, going out to the main time frame, we have this ascending structure. We have a double top right here, and the price has broken out of this ascending structure with an impulse. So on the main time frame or the lower time frame, I'm looking forward to have a bearish continuation structure here. So if we have that structure, then I'll place my entry below the structure, my TP above it, then target the base, the bound of this higher time frame, uh, bearish reversal structure, or the the low of the entire structure. So that will be all. That will be all for this week midweek review. So as we move towards the end of the week, patience and discipline remain critical. Let the market complete its structure. Respect higher time frame directions and avoid forcing trades outside your own plan. So we'll continue to monitor how the price reacts around these levels and within these structures and update them accordingly. Guys, if you find value in this midweek review, make sure you stay connected with the trading ambience for the weekly outlook and further trade updates. Trade with clarity, manage risk, and stay aligned with your strategy. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.